Hello everyone, welcome to learn about our small pitch LED commercial display screens. These displays use advanced LED technology, featuring ultra-high pixel density, to deliver extremely clear and detailed images. Whether in conference rooms, exhibitions, or high-end commercial venues, they provide an outstanding visual experience. Our small pitch LED displays have the following features: high resolution. Each screen can display fine images and videos, ensuring every detail is vividly presented. High color accuracy. Our displays accurately reproduce true-to-life colors, making your content more vibrant and realistic. Seamless splicing. The modular design allows multiple display units to be seamlessly connected, creating large, continuous images suitable for various large-scale display needs. Stable and reliable. Made with high-quality materials and advanced manufacturing processes, they ensure long-term stable operation and reduce maintenance costs. Flexible applications. Suitable for various commercial environments such as advertising displays, corporate presentations, and command centers, adding more highlights to your business. By choosing our small pitch LED commercial display screens, you are not just getting a display, but a solution that enhances brand image and visual impact.